Alright, we've got like about a foot of snow outside. Sajo is just going a little bit crazy out there. Well, he just doesn't even know what to do with himself. He's like burying his head in the snow, or doing whatever. Look. Oh, good boy. Good boy, Sajo. Good boy. Is it crazy? Is it crazy and wild blizzard? This is what it looks like. This is how much snow is coming down at the moment. By that we mean a crap load. Sajo is covered in snow. This is what it looks like outside our door. And yeah, it's pretty good. Good boy. Good boy, Sajo. Sajo's like made for the snow. He's like a snow monster. At least snow monkey anyway. Sajo! Good boy! Good boy! Get it! Get the snow! Get that snow! Good boy! Good boy! Get it! Get it! Good boy!